Ever wondered what's the most hydrating fruit you can eat? In the next few seconds, you'll find out. Watermelon is packed with over 90% water. It keeps you hydrated and refreshed. Cucumbers might surprise you as fruits. With a 95% water content, they're perfect for beating the heat. Strawberries offer not just sweetness but also 91% water. They're juicy and delicious. Oranges come with both hydration and a boost of vitamin C. Their 86% water content helps in staying cool. Lastly, cantaloupes have about 89% water. They're great for a summer snack. So, next time you're thirsty, reach for these hydrating fruits. Stay hydrated and feel refreshed all day. Hit the like button if you found this useful. Subscribe for more refreshing tips.